Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to cycle wallpaper on iPhone. To automatically cycle wallpapers on your iPhone, follow these steps. First, access the wallpaper functionality by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen and hold down on the screen for a few moments until your wallpapers appear. Now let's add a new wallpaper. Swipe left until you find the Add New option, then tap the plus button. Choose Photo Shuffle from the available options. Now let's choose Photos for Shuffle. Tap on Choose Photos manually. Choose the photos you want to shuffle, then tap Add. Now let us set shuffle frequency. To set how often the wallpapers changes, tap the three dots at the bottom right corner and choose your preferred frequency. For example, hourly. Now, to apply filters, swipe right to apply different filters to your wallpapers if desired. Once you're done, tap on Add, then choose Set as Wallpaper Pair. Your iPhone will now automatically cycle through your selected wallpapers at your chosen frequency. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.